You have a Valeton GP5 and an Choco Plus, and suddenly they're not working? You might have the same problem as mine, so here's what I did to fix them. While filming my next video, which is the mini pedal board I made with the GP5, I encountered some roadblocks. The GP5 wasn't saving any patches. Like if I edit stuff in the patch and press save, it would just revert to its original state. For the Choco Plus, the mobile app just couldn't connect to the device. Turns out, both their phone apps have updated, and sadly they're not compatible anymore with older firmware. The solution is to update both the Choco and GP5's firmware. Sounds simple enough, but there are extra steps here because you need to do it manually. For the Choco Plus, you need to download the Cinco OTA app on your phone. For iOS, it's easily found in the App Store. For Android, you need to download it at mvabe's website and install it manually. I'll put the link here and at the description. Next, you need to download the update file of the Choco Plus. Conveniently, it's in the same page as the Cinco OTA app link. Download and save it in your phone's local folder. Time to cook. Pair your Choco Plus to your phone via Bluetooth. Run the Cinco OTA app. Select the Choco Plus. Go to Upgrade. Select the firmware file you just downloaded. And click Upgrade. Afterwards, the Choco Plus will go through a factory reset, so you'll need to pair it again to your phone. You should now be able to make the Choco Plus work with the CubeSuit app again. Side note, there are changes in the CubeSuit app you need to know. The Advanced Custom 1 and Advanced Custom 2 modes have been combined in the update and is now just called Advanced Custom Mode. You can now use all foot switch modes, including the on-press effect in Custom Mode 1, while utilizing the 64 patches through the E and F switches of Custom Mode 2. This is a welcome change, so thanks mvabe. For the GP5, I couldn't do it on my phone because the app says it's in its latest version already, despite it being not the case. I did find success in manually updating using my Windows PC. Download and install the Valeton Suite app on your computer. Then download the latest firmware file. Both can be found in Valeton's website. I'll link it here and in the description as well. Connect your GP5 to your PC via USB-C. Launch the Valeton Suite. Select Device. Then Update. Then Manual Update. Select the firmware file. And hit Update now. After the update, I found it best to do a factory reset as well in the device. With both my GP5 and Choco Plus working, I was able to move forward with filming my next video, my smallest pedal board yet. Or small but powerful pedal board. I don't know, I'm not sure of the title yet. Stay tuned for the next video. Please subscribe.